You know, it's always hard to show blacks, but these blacks are so extraordinary that I just really going to bring them to you. It started with this knit. This first one is 100% cotton. It is a great, just the drape is incredible. This is the one I told you all from Tuesday night I would put up Thursday. It has stretch in both directions. Just beautiful for a dress, anything, pair of pants, anything you're going to make is going to be beautiful in this fabric. Great base black, and I don't know if you can kind of see the drape on it as I bring it up and down, but it's just lovely. I paired with it two pieces. They're from Oscar de la Renta, made in Italy. Oscar de la Renta. You know, when we get fabric like this, we just get really excited. It's just beautiful, beautiful stuff. Very limited. And we have the coordinates. So we have the white with the black circles and the black with the white circles. And it is 100% cotton. It's a woven. The circles are not. The circles are paint. You can see they're painted on, and I'm sure it's not hand done, but it sure looks like it. It's really extraordinary fabric. It's one-sided, but a little jacket with, you know, maybe using a little bit of both parts would be amazing. So also I put in, we had a little bit left of, this is the Laura Piana. This is the rib knit. And again, it's black, it's hard to see. It's just beautiful. I mean, I just feel so excited and honored that I get to touch these fabrics. It has stretch in both directions. The ribbed way stretches a little bit more. But again, Laura Piana, 100% cotton. Just beautiful. And to work with all of these fabrics together would be incredible. This is the Oscar de la Renta that has the black with the white circles. Again, 100% cotton. This is a little bit that we have left over. This is the stretch woven linen. It's 100% linen, stretch woven, again, Italy. And again, just a beautiful piece of fabric. Different use, linen, you know, but the weight of this linen is really good. The drape is really good. So I know that some of you have that. We've shipped all of that. We've shipped all of the Laura Piana knit. They were both on pre-order. And this is just a great white that I put in. It's a cotton poly, not a really expensive piece, but the stretch in both directions I think is really helpful. It doesn't have much stretch in one direction, more in another. But it is a cotton poly, but again has great drape and a little bit of texture to it. It's a white. I wouldn't put it with this, but it would be great with all the other blacks. All right, so anyway, the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.